Hello beauties, welcome back to the Jolie Beauty channel. This is a 5-minute makeup look. So I'm going to be showing you all the steps to get this pink glittery eye look. If you like this format of video, make sure to give us a big thumbs up. First of all, I'm taking the Uniqlo Bright Eyes Serum just to prep the eye. This will hydrate and prep the eye area for makeup. Next, I'm taking the Louise base in Room 02 on a flat brush and I'm just carving out my brows. I'm just using a tiny bit of product here as I want this to be a nice, subtle and quite natural look, so not too much product. And then I'm just patting that into the rest of my eye. To get this product to set, you need to pat it, so make sure to pat onto your eyelid. Then I'm just going over this with the number 1 brush. This is the best brush for blending out concealer or cream products, and it will just make that base super smooth. Because I'm doing a winged look, I just prepped my eye with some tape. And then I'm going in with my first shadow from the Golden Skies palette. This is the shade Romance, and I just used a super fluffy brush. This is my transition shade, so I'm taking this all the way into the crease, just concentrating it on that outer edge as well. Next up, I'm taking a slightly pinker shade. This is the shade Spaced on a number 7 brush, which is a slightly smaller fluffy brush. And I'm just dragging that out into a winged shape, making sure to take my other brush and blending into that pink as well. I go back and forth between the 2 brushes until I'm happy with the blend. Next up, I'm taking the shade Knockout on a pencil brush, and I'm using this to create a smoky winged liner. I think this purple really complements the pinks. Here I'm tightlining my eye with the Marc Jacobs liner in the shade Blacquer. And I'm also adding a little bit of that onto my lid as well, just starting on the outer third of my eye. I'm then just smudging that in with a winged liner brush. This will just help you get that really smoky effect and not have a dark liner. Here's the fun bit, we get to peel back that tape and oh, look at that line. I'm just wiping off the excess just to make sure there's nothing left, and I'm going in with my Too Faced concealer. This is in the shade Light Beige, all the way underneath my eye, taking it right up to that line because I want it to be as crisp as possible. And I'm just blending that out with the number 1 brush again, which like I said, gives you that airbrushed look for cream products. I just keep patting and blending until I'm happy. And then when I'm happy, I just go ahead and set that. I'm using the Mercier Secret Brightening Powder just on a fluffy brush to set the concealer. Next, I am taking the shade Blackout from the palette on a liner brush, and I'm taking that underneath my eye and joining it up to that wing. Then taking a pencil brush and the shade Knockout, I'm just blending that into the black and smudging it out underneath the eye, all the way into the eye as well, making sure to connect it again to the wing. To add a little bit more definition, I'm just using that Marc Jacobs pencil again to do the waterline. And then it's on to glitter, so I'm using the Bomb.com palette in the shade Blossom, which is this gorgeous pink, and I'm just patting that onto the eye with a flat brush, making sure that I'm spreading the product across the eyelid by using patting motions. Then it's time for some highlight. I'm using the Oh So Blinding palette here with the shade Dreamy, and I'm just using a pencil brush to highlight the inner corner and also underneath the brow bone. I just top the look off with some mascara. This is the Essence What the Fake mascara. And that's the final look. I hope you really enjoyed this video, guys, and found it educational. If you like this format of video, then let us know and we'll do some more. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.